Hello friends, today our topic is the number system, and basically that is the introduction part of the number system. There are particularly four types of number systems, and those are: number one is known as the binary, second one is the decimal, third one is the octal, and fourth one is the hexadecimal. Now, what is a number? The number is a sign which is used to count or represent some value. Now, we will discuss about the number systems of binary, decimal, octal and hexadecimal. So, we start with the binary number system. For the binary number system, the binarius, that is a Latin word and it means 2. Once again, the binarius is a Latin word and it means 2. And from that word binarius, the binary number system has been named. What are the characteristics? It has particularly two symbols, and those are 0 and 1. So, according to positional value, 1010 is not equal to 1100, and the most digital computers use the binary number system terminology, where the bit is a binary digit and byte, that is typically 8 bits. Now, the next table is particularly the decimal binary equivalence. Decimal number system, already whatever the numbers we are using, that is particularly our decimal number system, and most of the cases binary number system is used in the digital computers. So when we have 0 in the decimal number system, its equivalent number system is binary is also 0. In decimal, which one is 1? In binary, that is also 1. But when in decimal, that is 2. In binary, that is 1 0. Same as for 3, that is 1 1. Suppose 8 in the decimal number system, its binary equivalent is 1 0 0 0. Same as for the decimal number system, 15 has the equivalent number system is binary as 1 1 1 1. So particularly it has the base, that is 2, and according to that 16 17 18 19 in the decimal number system. Suppose the 27 in binary number system, its equivalent is 1 1 0 1 1. The next type of number system is particularly the hexadecimal number system, and it is coming from the Greek word, that is hexa. The hexa means in Greek, that is 6, and decem is a Latin word which means 10. So the hexadecimal number system is coming from the two Greek and Latin word hexadecem. Its characteristics, as you have said, that is 16 and 10. So it has completely 16 symbols, and those are 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 10 number system plus A, B, C, D, E and F. Total 16 symbols are used in the hexadecimal number system. So according to the positional values, capital A13 capital DH is not equal to 3 capital DA1H. The computer programmers often use the hexadecimal number system. So hexadecimal number system has a wide use in the computer programs. The next table is particularly having the decimal hexadecimal equivalence. Once again, we have said that the decimal means whatever the number we are particularly most often using. And here, according to decimal number system, which is 0 in hexadecimal number system, that is also has the equivalence 0. In decimal, which one is 1 in hexadecimal, that is also 1. In decimal, which one is 2 in hexadecimal, that is also 2. And up to 9 in the hexadecimal equivalent is the same. That means from 0 to 9, that is same for decimal and hexadecimal. From 10 it is changed. In which one is the number in decimal, that is 10, is written in hexadecimal, that is capital A. And that is same for 11, that is capital B, for 12, that is capital C, for 13, that is capital D, for 14, that is capital E, and for 15, that is capital F. So those are the 16 symbols used in the hexadecimal number system. So in that way, when we have 16 in the decimal number system, its equivalent hexadecimal is 10. Same as for 23 in the decimal number system, is equivalent hexadecimal is the 17. When we have 26 in the decimal number system, its hexadecimal equivalent is 1A. Same as for 31, that is 1F. In decimal number system, whichever is 34 in hexadecimal, that is 22. Whichever is 42 in decimal number system, that is 2 capital A in hexadecimal. In that way, the decimal hexadecimal equivalence can be found out. Now once again look, the hexadecimal has 16 symbols. So from 0 to 9 are same for decimal and hexadecimal. Now look at the binary number system, as it has 2 symbols 0 and 1. So those are true also for decimal and binary. But from 2 it has been changed in decimal and binary number system. Same as from the decimal and hexadecimal number system up to 9, that is same for decimal and hexadecimal. From 10 it has been changed. So next we are proceeding to the octal number system. Once again, the octal number system. In the octal number system, octo, that's a Latin word and it means 8. So the octal number system has come from the Latin word that is octo. Its characteristics, it has 8 symbols, as that is 8, and those are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So according to position 17430, that is not equal to 73140. The octal number system same as used most often in the computer programs. The below table is the decimal octal number system equivalence. Same as already we have found that there are 8 symbols from 0 to 7. So according to decimal and octal equivalence, from 0 to 7 are same for decimal and octal. That means for decimal that is 0, octal is 0. For 1 that is 1. For 2 that is 2. For 5 that is 5. For 7 that is 7. And from 8, now the octal number system is now 10. Whichever 8 is the decimal number system, in octal that is 10. Whichever is 13 in the decimal, now that is 15 in the octal. Whichever is the 15 in the decimal, now 17 in the octal. Whichever is the 24 in the decimal, that is 30 in the octal. Whichever is the 31 in the decimal, that is 37 in the octal. Same as whichever is the 39 in the decimal, that is 47 in the octal. Whichever is the 46 in the decimal, that is 56 in octal. Now we will proceed to the decimal number system. In decimal number system, the term decimal has been found from the Latin word that is known as decem. Decem is the Latin word which means 10. So its characteristics, it has 10 symbols, and those are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. The most often used number system is particularly the decimal number system. So according to the positional values, 2946 or 2945 not equal to 2495. But what is 2945? That is 2 into 103 plus 9 into 102 plus 400, 4 into 101 plus 5 into 100. And most people use the decimal number system. The decimal number system consists of 10 digits: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, and is the most commonly used number system. We use the combination of these 10 digits to form all other numbers. The value of a digit in a number depends upon its position in the number. The place value table for the decimal number system is given below. Suppose that is the decimal point. The yellow colored column has been given for the decimal point. Now in the left hand side, that is the whole part of the decimal point, and those the place values are ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s and millions. Same as on the right hand part of the decimal point is the tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000 and millions. Let each place to the left is the 10 times greater. Once again, each place to the left is 10 times greater than the place to its right. That is, as we move from the right to the left, place value increases 10 times with each place. That means tens is the multiple of 10 of ones. Hundreds is the multiple of 10 of tens. Thousands is the multiple of 10 of hundreds. Thousands 10th multiple is the 10,000s. 100,000s is the 10th multiple of 10,000s. So a decimal number system is also called the base 10 system. Suppose a number 49365 is read as 49,365, where the value of 4 is 40,000, 9 is the 9,000, 3 is 300, 6 is 60 and 5 is 5. The decimal number system is also called the Hindu Arabic numeral system, and the anthropologists hypothesize that the decimal system was the most commonly used number system due to humans having 4 fingers on each hand. That means 10 in both hands. So that is the introduction of the number system, where we have 4 type of number system generally used, that is binary, decimal, octal and hexadecimal.